Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Now in this video today, I'm going to be doing two things. I'm going to be announcing an open collab for Father's Day, and I'm also going to be decorating a vignette. So come on with me, guys. So we're going to be starting out with decorating this vignette. I'm loving the colors that are coming through the window, and I think it's beautiful. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, since the announcement is going to be for a Father's Day collab, I figured I'd go ahead and decorate a vignette for Father's Day. Now, the name of the collaboration is I Love That You're My Dad Open Collab, and it is freestyle, and this is going to be for June 18 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now remember, it is freestyle, which means you can do absolutely anything you want. You can show a celebration on how you celebrate your dad, or how you celebrate your husband, or any family member that's a male figure in your life. Go out to dinner, decorate a tablescape, a vignette, a tier tray. Listen, the sky's the limit. Now, the host of this collab is Penny from at Penny's Place and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Now, the hashtag that we're using to make sure that we pick up all of your videos is Father's Day Freestyle 22. I'm going to be placing all of this information in my community tab, so make sure and head on over there. So now let's jump back into the video. So now to decorate this vignette, I am using a garland. I am also using some concrete vases that I went ahead and DIY. These came out absolutely gorgeous, along with that display bowl where we have loose flowers. So we definitely have a lot of greenery. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music while I continue to finish decorating this vignette for you, and I'll see you at the end. Oh my goodness. I think that this vignette came out absolutely fabulous, and I hope you agree. Let's head on over to the reveal. So remember to write the date down. This is going to be on the 18th at 6 p.m. and I cannot wait to see you there. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I'll upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.